All right, so as I mentioned before, this is just a small exhibition. I'll be having a bigger one in 2 years' time here at the Whakatane Museum. And the space that I'm in now is surrounded by 2 other gallery spaces, and I'll be hopefully using those as well. So it'll be much bigger. I'm planning on having 46 pieces of work, and it'll be probably called Atua Gods and Spirits of Aotearoa again. And yeah, so I'm very excited for that. It's going to be during the mataki celebrations. And yeah, hope to see you all there. And the reason I'm having it here is so my whānau can come, whānau and friends can come. I'll just talk a little bit about some lessons that I learnt. I've definitely learned a lot about my culture, about being Māori, about how many stories we have that are untold, you know, that don't have images to go with them. So I'm hoping to bring a bit of light to those korero through my artwork. So I've got a challenge I'm running at the moment called Anatomy August. It's just a personal challenge I'm doing on social media. So for the whole month of August, I've been drawing every day from a photo of the anatomy. And I go live on Facebook and Instagram. I alternate every night. So tonight I'll be on Facebook going live, and it's usually at around 8:30, 9 p.m. And it's cool just to have people come in. And the reason I'm doing that is just to share my process and to answer any questions that people have. Yeah, Anatomy August, come to Facebook, Te Haunui Tuna tonight. Kia ora.